U.S. Highway 101 goes north of me to L.A. There ain't a stoplight on that road till you get to Frisco Bay. On across the Golden Gate and the Mendocino Cove, led me to her front door just beyond that old gate post. She was only 21, I must have been about 24. My car broke down by the side of the road, so she offered me her floor. Seemed like only yesterday, no reason to complain. Living high on Pickle Hill in the Humboldt County Rain. 101, you're a friend of mine, haven't seen you for a while. Do you still remember me? I remember every mile. All the truck stops and highway songs, all the verses and refrains. I can still remember that Humboldt County rain. From the start that the worst was yet to come. My heart will always follow to the beat of a gypsy drum. The highway outside calling nearly drove me insane, and I left her crying in that Humboldt County rain. 101, you're a friend of mine, haven't seen you for a while. Do you still remember me? I remember every mile. All the truck stops and highway songs, all the verses and refrains. I can still remember that Humboldt County rain. 101, you're a friend of mine, haven't seen you for a while. Do you still remember me? I remember every mile. All the truck stops and highway songs, all the verses and refrains. And I left her crying in that Humboldt County rain. Yeah, I left her crying in that Humboldt County rain.
Say your name.
I'm Slade Rivers. This is Tony Feist right here.